Lovelies, gems, I am back. Hey you guys, and welcome back to my channel. Ooh, you see that twinkle in her eyes? This video was meant to be uploaded, okay? Alright y'all, let's get into this new look. Alright, so first I'm going to start with my Embryolose Lait cream, just to go ahead and put that over my face to give it a nice, just to hydrate it a bit. Okay. Don't judge my skin. It's the summer is to blame. Okay. Boop. So now I'm going to use my LA Girl Warm Honey Concealer and going to go ahead and set my lids. So now I'm using Anastasia's Sculpture Palette and I'm going with the color Access. It's a dark like bluish green mixed together. Then you already know it's the Juvias palette. I went in my Zulu palette and using that teal turquoise color on top just to blend it out. And I'm also going to go ahead and use the yellow in there as well, right there. Okay. And give that nice little blend ombre glow. Period. It's the Krystal. You already know how this goes. I mean, look, just make your own lid, people, okay? Because my lid is not that big, but I make it. So now I'm just going to go with the reverse ombre technique and literally just start with the yellow, then the turquoise, and then, of course, the Access little darkish blue-green we got going in there. Then I'm putting in my corners. That's what I'm speaking. And there goes the turquoise, y'all. Just place it right in the middle. And after that, I'm gonna go ahead and blend those colors out because ain't nobody like an unblended shadow. I'm bugging. So I decided to like cut it down, make it a diagonal because I just like how it looks better when it's like that. Look at that, y'all see that? I don't know what it is. I just like it. And now is the liner time. I've gotten so much better, you guys. Look at that. That liner could like stab somebody. Sorry, I'm not a violent person. And now I'm going to go ahead and use this glitter liner for Movie Kisses. And I found this in my local beauty supply store, y'all. That's where y'all going to find it. Good stuff, good stuff. So now I'm going to use the Kiss New York foundation. I'm using two of their foundations, the medium dark and then the dark as well. And we're just going to mix those two together and make Alysha. Boom, bada bing. Now I'm gonna go in with my NYX Can't Stop, Won't Stop. I don't know how that song goes, but y'all get what I'm trying to sing. All right, and this is in the color Mocha. Of course, wet beauty blender, y'all. But it wasn't coming up as bright as I wanted to, so I went back and added warm honey just to give it a nice little brightness. LA Girl never fails me. Okay, holla at your girl, LA Girl. Now, usually I use my Sacha Buttercup, but y'all, I have to use the Airspun because my Sacha is on the low. Poor girl is running from me. And now I just keep on using her, so I gotta chill. And then I'm gonna go with the Ruby Kisses mineral powder in the color Ebony to give a nice little contour and of course shrink that bulging forehead down. And my favorite mascara, y'all, Nickak New York Multi-function mascara. This is it, okay? It works, honey. Okay, so for the under eye, I'm gonna smoke it out, of course. So I'm gonna start with the teal turquoise in the Zulu palette by Juvias, and then I'm gonna go ahead with Access, getting it closer to my waterline. Y'all see that? Y'all see that wing? Come on, let's stop playing. I'm doing it. Now I went back and added just two little dots near my tear dots for some glow. It's lippy time. I'm using the Nickak New York lipstick in the color Natural. And I'm gonna try and make it nude, so I usually use a dark brown pencil to, you know, smoothen out the ends, but I also use eyeshadow too. Okay? Ain't nothing wrong with that. Because look at the lips. Mwah. For the highlights, Smashbox came through. Did y'all see that there? Their glow was not moving. I know I wanted to stay, but I had to beat that in, y'all. But this is the Draw In Decked Out Sculpting Cheek Palette. As you see, the cheeks is working. Phew. And I just used my Elegant Pro Setting Spray. Now it's time for some finishing touches, which is of course the highlight on the brow. I know y'all see that brow. I know y'all see that brow. Crazy, isn't it? And I'm just gonna add a little bit blush. And it's all said and done.